Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says that one end of a massless spring of a spring constant K and natural length L0 is fixed while the other end is connected to a small object of mass M lying on a frictionless table. The spring remains horizontal on the table. If the object is made to rotate at an angular velocity omega about an axis passing through fixed end, then the elongation of the spring will be. So, we will solve this question. First of all, we'll see what will be the key concept used in this question. The key concept used to solve this question will be centrifugal force. Centrifugal force, which will act radially outward towards the elongation in spring. So the elongation in spring will be due to the centrifugal force, and centrifugal force Fc will be equal to m omega square r, where m is the mass of object, omega is the angular velocity, and r is the length of spring, where r will be equal to, if this is a spring, initially it was of length L, here it is mass m, the length of spring was L, but as the mass m is rotated about the center, it elongates up to here, and the elongation is delta x. So r will be equal to L plus delta x. Now, on this object, centrifugal force will act radially outward, and spring force will act towards inward direction. So, spring force, that is Fs, that will be equal to k delta x, where k is the spring constant and delta x is the elongation in the spring. So, balancing force, we will have Fs, that is spring force, is equal to centrifugal force, or k delta x is equal to m omega square L plus delta x. This is L or L naught. Let me see one. This is L naught. Initially the length was L naught. So it will be L naught plus delta x. So from here we will have k delta x is equal to m omega square L naught plus m omega square delta x. So यहाँ से हमारे पास होगा m omega square, sorry, k minus m omega square delta x is equal to m omega square L naught, और from here हमारे पास होगा delta x, that is elongation in spring, m omega square L naught by k minus m omega square. So the correct option will be option C. Hope you all understood it well. Best of luck.